Bangkok is a city with many guises. By day, it's a hybrid of activity, from people going about their work to tourists mingling. It's hot, humid, the traffic never stops. There's taxi drivers weaving in among the still traffic. It kind of makes it unique and interesting, but to me, Bangkok really comes alive at night time. So I jumped on my tuk-tuk and I head to the Radisson Blu Brewski rooftop bar. Wonderful craft beer, but the rain come down and boy did it rain. Sometimes your best laid plans don't work out. The nightlife in Bangkok is amazing, but when it rains, it really rains. I'm on my way home now, going along the Chao Phraya River, back to the Ramada Hotel. Rain's eased off, but it's time for me to go to bed. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.